Welcome to Thailand. Hello!
Hello!
We've touched down in Thailand as of last night.
Yes!
Came in on an Air Asia flight. We were a little bit apprehensive, it is a budget airline, but actually it was awesome.
Yeah, right.
Very few complaints from me.
When we got to the airport, we went through security, that was all super easy, and then we went to go find a ride share using the app Grab.
That was a little chaotic.
Yeah, that was chaotic. We were on the wrong level, and the driver was calling us, and the driver was really patient and kind.
And you never want to feel like the disorganized foreign tourist. But we eventually found our driver.
And then he just absolutely hooned it back to the accommodation.
Speed demon.
Yeah, we hit like speeds of like 130 kilometers.
We're like, holy mother of God!
Tuk-tuks and trucks and motorbikes, and I was like, ah!
But it was fun. It was sensory overload in the best possible way. And we made it, and we were alive in our hotel.
Yes.
It's called the Thana Wasut. We're in central Bangkok, and we'll be here for a couple of weeks. And I, for one, am very excited.
Yeah, do you want to see the room? We have started to actually put away some of our clothes and hang some stuff, and just put things in drawers. We're going to be here for 2 weeks, so we want it to kind of be a bit organised. But we've got this nice kind of coffee station here. We've got a jug so we can make noodles and stuff. We've got a fridge, we've got our suitcases. Workstation here, which I think is going to be really useful for editing. Air conditioner, hallelujah, it works really well. And then this is the bed area, which is like queen size bed. And there's all the storage back here for our camera gear and just our bits and pieces. And this is the view out of the window. Now it is time for the tut reveal. Dun 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 dun.
Hello, come on in. I really like this bathroom. It has a kind of day spa aesthetic. It's really nice. Even a little bidet.
Ooh, how European.
I know, right? And my favourite feature is this rain shower. That's one way of keeping the marriage alive, isn't it?
Oh,
room for everybody.
There's a room for everyone. And this is the sink area and a nice big mirror. We're pretty happy with this. Having my noodles for breakfast.
What do you reckon?
Quite tasty. I got this kind of beef looking one.
So the plan for today is just to have a chill one really. Get our bearings, go for a stroll down the canals, maybe see a temple or two. We're on a slower timeline because we're here for 2 weeks, so we're going to take it easy.
Such a beautiful and vibrant place. Everything's happening around us.
Yep, there's hustle and bustle, alright?
But it's all quite pleasant. Like, the salespeople come forward to you and they try and sell you something, but you just smile and say, I'll keep it in mind, thank you, and no worries.
Yes, sir, let's move on.
This city is full of vibrant colour. Golds, pinks, greens. It's an explosion, not drab at all. I really appreciate that.
For such a hectic place, there are a lot of shrines that are really calming, and you just sort of step off the road and there's a really zen energy here. It's lovely. It smells fantastic.
It smells absolutely divine.
Yeah.
One of the great cuisines of the world. So much depth of flavour. I'm in a happy place.
It's unique. So nice. Some chicken, some beans. Very fresh. We've had our beautiful dinner and now we're looking at this gorgeous canal. Well, it's another sunny day in Bangkok this morning. We had a good sleep and the jet lag's not hitting me too hard. We're going to go find some breakfast and then work out what to do.
Yeah, because we have no idea, which is fun. How bloody cute is this?
Gorgeous, but it's so hot. Nice coffee. It's really nice. Work.
So we visited a stall on the side of the road, and these spring rolls were just 10 baht each, which is a great deal. And we got a dipping sauce, which I'm sure will be very spicy, how I like it. Crunchy, fatty, flavorful, so good.
We also got these little buns that I can see they have raisins on them and they're really soft. It was 20 baht for this packet of 3, so very little money. This big one. Oh, it's sticky. Oh, it's like the bread in Japan. It's sweet and it's soft and it's full of fruit on the inside. Okay, this evening we are on the way to the iconic Khaosan Road.
Notorious.
Yeah, so we're going to try and get in there before it gets too crazy. It's a bit before 5 at the moment. The lights are really nice.
As you're probably aware, it's known as a crazy party spot. Not quite our cup of tea given our present life stage, but it's one of those places you sort of have to check off.
Apparently you can drive a car right down Khaosan Road, but I must say it's not actually quite what I expected. It is a lot of clothing shops and there is some strange insects for sale and things like that, so we'll try to get a shot of that. But it's pretty calm so far.
Now, fair warning, some of the hawkers do get a little overly enthusiastic. They touch you on the shoulder, maybe even grab you. The best advice really is to hold your ground, be firm. As an agreeable Kiwi, I really struggle with this, but it's the best way to go.
Okay, this morning we're going to go on a river cruise.
Yes, Chao Phraya awaits.
Just absolutely love the neighbourhood we set up in. It's so nice and it's not too crazy, but it's full of lots of life. We've got these all-day passes. We can hop on and off as much as we like. 150 baht each. And we're off.
So this is the majestic Wat Arun. I can't say I've ever seen anything like this before. It's absolutely wonderful.
It's stunning.
Can you imagine it at night when it's all illuminated?
Oh yeah.
Incredible. The Thai people are maximalists. I love it.
We decided to come in the morning and I'm glad we did. It's not too busy yet. It's about 9:30. So much is going on in just one river. It's air conditioned on the inside, so that's top tip. So good. Well, today hasn't really gone to plan, but we had a lot of fun on the cruise, seeing the first shrine. When we got to the second shrine, the palace, there were a lot of hawkers and we were being quite harassed. It was also quite expensive to go in. We kind of wanted to, but we also were told we needed long pants. So we decided we'll get out of the noisy area and we'll go get some nice lunch, which we just had, and it was really good, really perked us up.
Check out the colour.
It's feeling a bit sacrilegious. I got the American breakfast. I just wanted something really filling.
Yeah, we need to refill our engines. Vroom vroom.
Potato, egg, ham, bacon, sausage, and toast. And they brought out some complimentary fruits. That looks so good. Fresh fruit, Thailand. This is the life. And now it's so hot, I feel like maybe we should just go back to the hotel.
Have a little nap, maybe.
Yeah, take a little break. We do want to see more temples, so more temples to come. Maybe at golden hour tonight.
Yeah, sunset.
Yes! Well, we've had that little nap. It was really nice. And it's about 5 o'clock now. And we're heading into another temple complex.
And the main attraction here is a standing Buddha that makes its way to a towering 32 meters.
Wow. Can't wait to see it. Oh wow, look at that! It's massive. Very interesting complex. Lots of little corners and nooks where you find more hidden treasures, and it's really nice that there aren't many people here, so we can just relax and enjoy it. Just got these cute little donut balls from the lady with the baskets. Should I try one?
Yeah. Only 20 baht?
20 bahts. Okay. So I've sort of got some sesame seeds on them. They're sweet. Filled with sesame paste. It's really nice. It reminds me of some of the sweet treats in Japan.
Happy now. Drunken noodles.
Oh, this is just so nice. It's nice and cool for a change. It's not actually hot, which is
balmy.
Bizarre. This morning we're in Lumphini Park, which is a beautiful city park. There's this wonderful lake and the city skyline behind us with this lush greenery.
I'm personally hoping to see a water monitor lizard. Big lizard, prehistoric looking. Basically, I'm drawn to anything that looks like it could eat me, so bring it on.
There should be about 400 living in the park, so I'm sure we'll find one. We're going on the duck. Oh, we're doing it! This here controls whether to go left or right.
The best part of this, it's free.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Oh, well, that was an absolute workout, but really cool free activity. I think the reason it was so hard is our legs felt too long for it. Like maybe the pedals should be further out for especially Logan, who's 6 foot tall. But it was really awesome. We loved it. I was just telling Logan that we're not going to find the lizard because they've been removed from the park, and we just found one.
is gnarly. Check out its forked tongue.
We found the lizard.
I love it. Pineapple filled pie, because I'm feeling fruity.
Well, this feels like as good a time as any to finish the video. Bangkok's been absolutely amazing. We are going to be here for some more days, so keep an eye out for some short form content coming from us on TikTok, Instagram, and if we can, we'll upload to YouTube Shorts as well, if we can get it under that goddamn 1 minute limit. You'll notice that we haven't covered a lot of the big shopping complexes and the amazing malls and food courts, and the main reason for that is we're not here to shop and we're on a really strict budget. So if you're interested in how we're doing this on a budget, check the description for our daily budget and I'll let you know how we got on and what we actually spent.
Next up, we're going down south to Krabi. Cannot wait. Thailand has totally stolen our hearts. We're just so excited to see more. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to bring you more content soon.
See ya.
Kakite.